Table Module Function Introduction. Table Text Processing. Write text in table. This command is used to write any text into the table. Click the Write Text in Table function. Click anywhere inside the table where you want to write the text. Choose whether to use the letter D to represent the diameter symbol for grade 2 steel bar, and the D to represent the diameter symbol for grade I steel bar. Enter annotation text. The entered text will be automatically written into the table in a format that is centered both horizontally and vertically. After the text is entered, you can keep typing or press enter to quit. Writing text inside table completed. Write serial numbers. This command is used to write consecutive serial numbers into the table. Click the Write Serial Numbers function. Click anywhere inside the table where you want to start writing the serial number with the left mouse button. Click anywhere inside the table where you want to end writing the serial number with the left mouse button. Enter the starting serial number. The program will start with 1 as the initial number and automatically continue numbering up to the termination table. Sequential numbering completed. Number increasing copy. This command is used to increment by 1 on consecutively copied serial numbers. Click the Number Increasing Copy function. Select the number to be incrementally copied. Specify the base point. Input step. Specify the insertion point. Incremental numbering copy completed. Number Increasing Modify. This command is used to modify the serial numbers already drawn on the screen, allowing the numbers to be rewritten in a specific incremental order. Click the Number Increasing Modify function. Select the number to be incrementally modified. Input step. Select the next number to modify. Incremental numbering modification completed. Sum of numbers. This command is used for summing numerical values. Click the Sum of Numbers function. Select the text for the template calculation. Select the text to be added for calculation. After selecting, right-click to finish. Specify the insertion point. Numbers summation completed. Product of numbers. This command is used to calculate the product of numbers. Click the Product of Numbers function. Select the number to be multiplied. Specify the insertion point. Numbers multiplication completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.